Hi, I'm Chessica from Virginia L. Brown, and today we're going to work on some Valentine's crafting. So today, all we're going to need is, you're going to need a heart, any shape you like, or any color you like. We're also going to need tissue paper. You're going to cut it up into small pieces so that we can attach them to our hearts. You're also going to need some glue, whether it's a glue stick or squeezable glue, either one works. So today what we're going to do is, you already see I started on this side and glued the tissue paper down, and then on this side we have a 3D effect. So you're going to take your glue stick, and overlapping is okay. You're going to take your glue stick and place your pieces on, and if you need to glue on top. And we're going to put just a couple down here, and we're going to write us a cute little message. So to do the crunch style here, you're going to put your glue down. You're going to take your paper, use your finger, crunch it, and then press it on. And you can fluff it up a little bit if you like. And then you're just going to repeat that. So it's kind of like a little flower. You're going to take it and put it down. And we'll do one more, and then we will write our cute little message. And I guess we need one more right here. Let's throw some pink in there. So, just like one of the candy messages, we're gonna write be mine. So write your cute little message in there for whoever you would like to send this to. If you want to hang it, go ahead and put a hole in the middle and hang it on some string, and you can hang it on your wall. Thanks for joining us.